Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, Save Me, we will be covering the section of punctuation, in which we will learn about capital letter. So, open up page number 34 and let's get started. To know about capital letter, let's look at the given pictures. First, let us see the first picture, which says that Aisha helps to collect the glass bottles. Let's look at the second picture. Fatima and her friends clean the car. Let's look at the third picture. Ahmed and Talha plant the trees. And the last picture is Ryan reads a book about recycling. So, look at the highlighted words in the text. Capital letters are used in different ways in a sentence. They can be used to show that a word is a proper noun. Names are proper nouns, so the first letter of a name is always a capital letter. For example, in the noun Rayhan, R is a capital letter. Now let's do an activity. Design a card and write your and your family names with capital letters.